going to fetch a body that's been sandblasted. Oh, and the chassis has been blasted. And we've got old Gerald here in the back to come and help us. So before we get to the car, we would like to just... So guys, before we get to the whole moving of the car and fetching it from the blasters, we went to a show, and I just want to show you a couple of cars we saw there. It needs a bit of work, yes, but it's a two-door. I won't mind having this as a play, as a toy. The Sierra looks nice. With a scoop on the top. But this is very nice as well. This is more my age. Yo, that's a big turbo. Beautiful. Check, fun fact, these Ford Anglias, no bird will ever shit on that back window. Okay, yeah, check it out. I like these Escorts, two doors. This is nice. I like this. I like this a lot.
I get the SS in the car.
No, first I have to speak to the owner. Beautiful. And to burn the passenger for screaming her ass off. So we've got a M3 here. I'm not sure if it's a V8 or the V10. I'm hoping it's a V10, but it's got a manual box there. Yo, this thing looks nice. It's the right color. There you can see the badge M3 up close and personal. And it's got the 4 tips there. Slammed to the ground, man. Nice. I don't know where to point the camera. This is cool. This is old school. Crappy. I love this truck. Nice cover to it. Proper truck. So beautiful. Stuck on. Inside is also well done. And the back is wood. Look at the back, the wood.
What's happening?
See, they build the space chassis. use the old school chassis like I want to use. And they just bolted this bucket onto it. And gooide it. Yeah. Chassis, this is grand.
He's idiot.
And say something, what is it? You don't know what this is? Oh my god.
You're supposed to be talking.
I'm not good at this trailer thing yet.
So I'm using a Ford motor, so I thought, all right, let's incorporate it, you know?
Yeah, why not?
And that's what we
I
did.
mean, normally people just have a bar straight over, but this
Yes.
looks a lot
Well,
more.
this one worked nicely because now our air cleaner fits in here and it fits exactly.
Yeah.
It works very nice.
With a little bit of persuasion.
Not even any perspiration, it's just a little slip in. Yeah, so
Persuasion means it sits tight. You want
Everything in this thing is tight. There's no space to put shit in here.
yeah, so we're just wiring it all up now. Don't lift up too much.
That's a massive motor for a small body.
Could have put a bigger one in.
Not really.
Nah, you can't get
Maybe two
anything.
turbos.
Where are you gonna put that?
There's enough space, yeah, in
You must
front.
be dreaming. If you want to put turbos, you put them in the back.
I've seen
Long
people
goose
do that.
leg, but when it comes in hard.
There you can see the car's now loaded, and we're going to take it to our shop. So I could refer to it as RMK headquarters. see how much I know. I don't think it's going anywhere. I mean, it's all flat, there's no uphills.
No, that's good.
Okay,
Take it out anyway.
that's good.
Good.
And she's in. So I'm going to take the body off just now and just put it aside so that we can work on this chassis. But everything has been blasted and coated. The new primer, even the wheels are coated so we can paint them. We've got some body panels inside here which I'll take off, and then there's all the other body panels. I don't know why they use two different types of primer, but it is what it is. So it went there with tubes, it came back with broken tubes, but it was kind of expected, I think that rod point there should be this side, because I don't know. No, that's right. So we're making a plan to lift this body. A MacGyver plan. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like always, you guys know that most by now. No? Dodgy as fuck, but this is how we roll. So this is again the modified chassis. We're just going to store the body on it while we work on the other chassis. Keith Bronner is helping us. She's a muscle in this. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching our show. In the next video, we're gonna be putting the engine onto that chassis. So we're just storing the body onto the old chassis. We've got all the panels there in the back. We're still sorting that out. and we've got the new chassis here up in the air, and the engine needs to fit into this hole here. In the next episode, oh shoot, we still need to get the insides of these sorted. Also in the next episode. So guys, thank you very much for watching our channel. We really appreciate your views. Click the like, click the thumbs, comment, all those nice things. Until next time, cheers people.